Hanoi, Wednesday, May the 27th, 2026. Today weather report. Take a look at the satellite cloud image. A large cloud band is still stretching from the southern China across the Sea of Japan and all the way towards Alaska. I will label this system number 3. Another cloud zone forming and gradually expanding over the Bay of Bengal. I will label this number 1. Meanwhile, another larger cloud mass is also growing over the Pacific Ocean, developing outward from the area near Brunei extending towards the sea. Very close to Vietnam Cheongsa Island is number 2, but there is one area. I will mark it as Area Ace. This region stretches from the offshore water inland across the north of Vietnam towards the Vietnam-China border. For more than 24 hours, very little cloud development has appeared there. From satellite imagery, we can clear the sea land feature and even ocean surface pattern. From my own observation, this region may currently be influenced by dry air and skinning motion higher in the atmosphere. That makes it harder for moisture to rise and development into clouds. Sunlight passes through directly, hitting the ground continuously, hour after hour. And that is one reason Vietnam has become noticeably hotter over the last 2 days. If you are in Hanoi, you may notice something interesting. The weather feels very hot, but the wind has also been quite strong. The daytime feels uncomfortable, but once sunlight fades, the heat eases surprisingly quickly because air is still being silenced by surrounding white pattern. Now, let's look at the weather radar. Convective clouds clusters are active along the Laos-Vietnam border. However, most have not crossed with Cheongsa mountain range. Rainfall remains limited for now by late afternoon and evening. Localized shower may appear in Dien Bien, Lai Châu, and Central Highland, a part of central Vietnam. Meanwhile, Vietnam Cheongsa Island remains under level 1 severe weather warning. Frequent shower and thunderstorms are expected. Visibility may drop below 4 km. Mariners should watch carefully for dangerous water sports. Wind gusts reaching force 6 to 7 and sea wave exceeding 2 meters. Quick reason forecast. North Vietnam 33 to 39 degrees Celsius, sunny sky, few clouds, strong heat around the midday. Central Vietnam 34 to 40 degrees, intense sunshine. Some locations extremely hot. Central Highland 30 to 33 degrees, scattered afternoon shower. Southern Vietnam 33 to 39 degrees, hot daytime temperature, localized thunderstorm by evening. Offshore water. Hoàng Sa Island belongs to Vietnam, mostly sunny around 39 degrees. Cheongsa Island thunderstorm, strong wind gusts around 30 degrees. Phu Quoc scattered storm around 39 degrees. Today perspective. While preparing today's report, one thing stood out to me: the large cloud-free zone stretching across the broad sea and land over Vietnam. When clouds disappear, sunlight reaches the ground directly. hitting the surface for many continuous hours. But something interesting happens. When sunlight fades, outdoor heat easy rather quickly because the wind is still moving. But there is another place where outside becomes cooler. It's inside. Still feel like an oven. Those tightly packed urban homes, narrow only, very little airflow, building up soaring heat all day long, won't become hot. Road surface become hot. Warm air accumulated indoor, and if door remains closed. If airflow is blocked, that hot air stays for a very long time until the air conditioner begins working, cooling that sharper air first before it can cool you. Nature hits the earth. That has happened for billions of years. But when nature gives us wind to cool things down again, and we still remain hot because we cannot bring that wind into the place where we live. Perhaps we should ask ourselves, are we living inside environment that we design ourselves? Thank you very much for watching. Leave your weather question for tomorrow. I would surely appreciate it, and I would be honored to share from my own perspective. See you again next time.